and Jay, the Big Cobra Guy, with another in the series. Well, I found some new cylinders, and I wanted to do a quick recording to test this. This is a standard brown wax cylinder. Now, this started life as a brown wax dictation cylinder, and I found 6 of these, and wanted to see what kind of recording they would make. Now, many of these standard brown wax cylinders are inherently noisy. They were probably inherently noisy when they were new, so they had to be budget cut rate cylinders. I can't imagine why anybody would actually use them. They are really terribly noisy. Anyway, I wanted to do a quick recording on this standard cylinder to see what kind of recording it would make and see what kind of surface noise it had. Now, this didn't have a whole lot of mold on it. A lot of these brown wax dictation cylinders do not mold the way black wax does. And like I said, the only problem with these standard cylinders, of course, is the fact that they're noisy. So in any case, I just want to do a quick recording to see what this is going to sound like. Recording this on my phone. This is a straight MP3 transfer. So I just want to see what kind of results I could get